Everything you need to know about the Canon R3. It's 2.2 pounds with a battery installed, built-in grip, 30 frames per second, electronic shutter with no blackout. It's mirrorless, so you'll like to be able to do a whole lot of things in low light situations. The stack sensor, created by Canon, is a first for them. That's gonna reduce that jello effect a little bit, but it still can be seen in some fast-moving photos and some videos. 2 different card slots, so you're gonna get that buffering situation, which is looking like the route Canon's just gonna take at the moment. The EVF comes out a little bit further than the other cameras, the actual physical part of it. I mean, you can store settings for individual memory cards, and that includes the eye control settings, and the eye detection can lock on by you holding the button and you lift your finger to move the eye tracking with your eyeball. Tracking for humans, animals, and vehicles is not included. It does 4K 120. Internal 6K at 60p, 4K 60p, or sample from 6K. No recording limits, or at least until it could possibly overheat. Fingers crossed it does not. Only C-Log 3 is available at launch and is using a micro HDMI. Digital hot shoe for mics like the Sony cameras we've been using, and a super fast flash options, which is going to vary depending on what gear you're using, and $5,999 USD. CAD, Australia. I don't want to look at this. So that is the quick rundown from today about the Canon R3, or I'll just say the quick rundown of the Canon R3. Everything that you need to know. Hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.